Hi, my name is Anthony Barasa. I'm going to show you how to remove to dismantle the RAM from the motherboard. So once you have opened the computer, there there are these clips that you unhook. You open them like this, like that. Then simply safely remove the RAM from its slot, like that. So this is the RAM, and make sure you handle it very carefully because it's very precious. Okay, that is it. That's how you remove the RAM from its slot on the motherboard. Okay, so let me show you how to return it back to where it was. Uh, Gently return it to the slot. Then press in, and then close the clips that support it on the sides, like that. So thank you. That is it.